Driving through Bryce Canyon, you can see some thick cumulus clouds gathering in the distance, and we can also see the limestone structures here of the hoodoos that Bryce Canyon is completely known for. Whoops, you can't see them because they're going by too fast, but here's some more. And we are driving, and it's just so incredibly beautiful. Like, these are so distinctive. You don't see this anywhere else on the planet. And actually, if you come visit Bryce Canyon, you won't see those same structures because it erodes so quickly that it's constantly resurfacing itself. Oh, and don't miss the tunnel.
Here comes another one.
So we are now on our way to Zion National Park. We are exiting Bryce. This was super fun. We did a cool hike. I posted that on Facebook and Instagram. You can take a look at that, about the Queen's Trail that we did, the hike. It was only about 85 degrees. It was pretty nice. And we are continuing our journey through Bryce Canyon here. And we're going to say goodbye as we drive on. Say goodbye, everybody.